Alright guys, so coming at you from St. Augustine, Florida today. I'm taking a design consultancy course with Geoff Lawton. I'm going to bring you two epic videos of Geoff, a couple of subjects I've been wanting to get on here for you for a while, and I thought there was no better than Geoff Lawton to bring these to you, so hold tight.
Forests are more fungi than bacteria, and if you want to feed that fungi and you want to grow it in the teeth that eat the wood in the soil, that's why forest soils are fungal dominated. That's why we have a lot of wood chip here. Clive working with us on it, right? So it's set.
Met Geoff in person in 2012 at Permaculture's Voices out in California, and he did a speech about the tipping point. You know, how we're heading in this regenerative direction and the amount of population it would take to get there. And you know, that was like 7 years ago now, and I've been excited about it ever since I heard it. You know, and I think at the time you said maybe we were at 7 to 8% of the population. Maybe it would take 12 to 14%. Like, how close are we, Geoff? Are we getting there? Are we near this tipping point?
Well, yeah, it's exponentially increasing over this massive population we have. I think we're gaining on our population, really. We need to get to 11 to 18, according to Malcolm Gladwell, who wrote the great book Tipping Point, and he researched all kinds of events, tipping point events. So I've been trying to drive to that. Everyone involved in permaculture, I think, should be driving towards getting that information out there. I think we might be getting close. Let's hope we're getting close to 10%. We got 1% to get to 11% tip. Let's hope we don't have to get to 18. But you can see the inquiry coming from all segments of society, everybody, industry, the aid is all using permaculture, schools, education, the youth. The millennials definitely get it with the online information, and really as the internet gets out there, more and more people are getting access to the approach. So I'm really optimistic. We can't keep up with the inquiry. There's no point in going to take on more personal challenges with people, because we can't keep up with the people that are coming in our direction and wanting help and wanting information and want to get loaded up with this so they can take action.
Geoff, thank you for all your hard work in this movement. If it
punch
wasn't
again?
for you, yeah, punch it again.
Hey.
You hit it good that time. Whew. All right, guys. Getting Geoff Lawton on here talking about the tipping point is pretty amazing. I feel like we're moving in that regenerative direction, you know, like we're getting there slowly. And the more of you that watch these videos, the more of you that share these videos, the more of you that like these videos, that's getting the message out to others, inspiring others. So that's what this is about. You know, we want to take this movement to the next level. This is beyond sustainability. We want to move in a regenerative direction going forward here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have not liked or followed Geoff Lawton yet, please go ahead and do so. Most importantly, if you like this video, hit the like button, pound the bell if you're not subscribed yet, stay notified. Most importantly, pound dirt.